going to be taking her to a half-ton truck, hitting the ramp at a speed, jumping, landing on the other ramp. Normally if we're doing a big jump in a feature film, then they'll have all sorts of mechanical engineering and girders and stuff built into it all, and obviously what we're doing is a load of timber with a load of clamps holding it together. We've obviously got a real stunt person in the car. It's not CGI'd and it's not fake, so we've got to make sure it's all safe for him when he lands. It's going to be airborne for quite a while, about 25-30 feet up, so it's quite a dangerous one.
The first time I've ever seen a ramp that's been held together with clamps. It does make me worry that it can hold the weight of that vehicle.
It's now 30 ways to go, the track is locked off.